here we have McNutt Street Railroad crossing in Weber City, Virginia. And so here at the first signal over here, it has a safe train base with pilot masts on it. And the gate mechanism is made by Siemens. We have Norfolk Southern emergency information. The dial number is 734-306H. And the lights are safe train top by 20-inch incandescent lights. And the gate lights are Rico incandescent gate lights. Now, over here we have a second signal right over here. It has another safe train base and another Siemens gate mechanism and another Norfolk Southern emergency information and another safe train top by 20-inch lights. And then gate lights over here are energy gate lights. And the bell is new e-bell, is General Signals Type 3 e-bell. And there is the oldest relay cage over here, which is really old, as you can see. Oh, here comes the ambulance. Here comes the ambulance. This might be some emergency. And here's look at the tracks. You see the torch somewhere because this leads to the Chapel Street, and down there it leads to the Blanton Drive, and of course Boone Street. So yeah. I'm gonna get back over here. Okay, there we go. That's better view. So yeah, here we have McNutt Street Railroad crossing in Weber City, Virginia. Over and out.